Does your partner's snoring sound like a freight train running through your bedroom? Are you the one keeping everyone awake with your booming snores? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with snoring, which can affect their sleep quality and their relationships. But there is hope. The LA Sinus and Snoring Center can help you get a good night's sleep again. We offer a variety of treatments to address the root cause of your snoring, whether it's allergies, sinus problems, or sleep apnea. Our team of experienced doctors will work with you to develop a personalized treatment plan to help you breathe easier and sleep better. Snoring isn't just a nuisance, it can be a sign of a serious underlying medical condition. Daytime fatigue, increased risk of heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure. Here are some tips to improve your sleep health and reduce snoring. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, avoid smoking and excessive alcohol before bed. Treat existing conditions. Manage allergies, asthma, or COPD according to your doctor's advice. Create a sleep-conducive environment. Ensure your bedroom is quiet, dark, cool, and well-ventilated. Consider using air purifiers and maintaining comfortable humidity levels. Practice good sleep hygiene. Establish a regular sleep schedule, relax before bed, and avoid caffeine and heavy meals in the evening. Manage your weight. Losing weight can significantly improve respiratory function and reduce sleep apnea and snoring. If lifestyle changes aren't enough, the LA Sinus and Snoring Center offers the innovative SNOREX procedure. Ask us about SNOREX to see if it's right for you. Schedule an appointment today. The LA Sinus and Snoring Center can help you stop snoring and breathe easy again. Get a good night's sleep, wake up feeling refreshed, and improve your overall health. LA Sinus and Snoring Center. Sleep soundly, breathe easy.